Hi, I'm replacing my salt cell chlorinator. So this one, it's gone bad. It's giving error like a check cell. So this is a Jandy TrueCell. So I turned off the power. I pulled the mains. Then I'm going to remove this connector here and remove this one. This is about 6 year old. Looks good, but it's not working, so I'm going to replace with this, the new one. I got it from Amazon. So this is the new one. I got it from Amazon. I paid around $360. Let me put this one. Let me make sure it connects properly. So this is a connector. It has 3 pins. It's got connected. So we need to put it this way. The arrow shows the direction of the water, so just lock this and let me turn on the cell. Okay. I'll reduce this to 50%. Maybe 60%. Yeah, seems it's working. This is a model number and this is a brand. I got it from Amazon. Thank you for watching.